Today I'm making strawberry cream cheese crumble mini pies using easy shortcuts, a creamy cheesecake layer, sweet strawberry filling, and a buttery crumble on top. Simple, cozy, and so good. Let's get started! And here they are, lightly golden, buttery, and smelling absolutely incredible. Since I made these ahead for a party, I baked them for 25 minutes instead of 30. They're so beautiful. I had to take them out of the muffin pan to show you. If you're making these ahead, keep them in the pan. Cover tightly and refrigerate for up to 4 days. Before serving, reheat in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes until golden. These ones went into the air fryer at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Crispy, golden, and just like freshly baked. They're buttery and crisp on the outside, creamy in the center, and filled with sweet strawberry goodness. You really need to try these cute mini pies for the holidays. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.